Hi everyone. So today, Sophia is officially 21 months. Today, say yay.
Coach?
Yeah. Can you say, look how she's sitting, you guys. Sophia, you want to sit properly so you don't fall? Huh? You want to Here, let's sit down, okay? Because this is kind of dangerous because you can slip and fall. Okay, put your feet down, okay? There you go. Put your feet down. Okay, there you go. There you go, Sophia. Much better. Let me see. Much better. Okay, let's work. Can we say the sounds? Right here. Very good. Very good, Sophia.
B. Q.
Q. Very good. And where does Q? Over here. Q goes over here. Can you say the sound? Qu, like queen. Okay. What else? Which one? You pick.
C.
C. And what's the sound of C? What's the sound? What sound does it make?
C.
Yeah, what sound?
C.
K. K. Oh, let me put these over here. What sound does it make, Sophie? K, k, k. What sound? Oh, like a cat. D. And this one? D, as in D. D. Bless you. D. Do you know how to say D as in drum? Yeah, right? Okay, what's next? What's next? Hit the drums, hit the drums, hit the drums, hit the drums. D, 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 D. Very good, as in drums. What's next? And what is that? And what is that? Hey, what is it? W. And what's the sound? W. And this one? What is that? T, t. Can you say the word? Can you say the sound t, 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 as in turtle?
C.
What's next? What is that? What is that?
Z.
Z. Very good. As in zebra? As in zebra? Very good.
C.
As in zebra. What else you got?
C.
Z as in zebra. Very good. What else? What else you got? What other letters do you have there? Be careful, Sophia, because you're gonna fall. It's okay. So what other letter do you want to use? K? You want to use K? Do you need help? Okay. Okay, which one's next? Which one? Okay, what letter's next? You got the F, you got the J. Which one's next? Which one? H, and the sound is very good, Sophia. H. Next, what's next? What's next? What's next? S. What's the sound? Can you tell me the sound? Sun, like sun. Sun and Sophia. Right here. And Sophia, right? S. Okay, what's next?
B.
Up. H. Z.
C.
Z, very good. What is that? N, as in what, Sophia? What's the sound of that? No, 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 no. And nose. And this one? What's the sound of that? As in mouse? As in mommy?
Daddy.
What is that one? Yeah, yeah. Down here. Yeah. As in yo-yo. Yo-yo. You like yo-yos. And K?
Oh, no.
Oh, no. What's the K for? What's the K for? What is that? Elephant? Eh. What's a sound? Elephant. Okay. What's that? K. K. Where does a K go? L. L as in lion. Right here. Lion. As in lion. Lion. Very good, Sophia. What else? V. You want to do V? Here's V. As in Victor and Valentine. Victor. Can you say the letter V?
Joey, where are you?
Jovi, where are you?
Come here.
Say, Joey, where are you? Jovi.
Come here.
I don't know. He's upstairs working on something. Okay, what's next? What's next? What's next? You're so silly, Sophia.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no. What is this? Do you know what that is?
Yeah.
I for igloo. Very good. V, W, S, X. Wow, you almost finished there. What is that? What is that? Oh, very good, Sophia. Oh, as in octopus. What is that? What is this?
Red.
As in red. Very good, Sophia. R as in red. Very good, Sophia. What's next? K as in kangaroo and kitty. Kangaroo and kitty. Yum, 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 yum. Oh my goodness, you barely have look, you only have 4 left.
D.
G. And what does G sound like, Sophia? G. Right? And that's the letter P. The P goes over here. P as in P. J goes over there.
D.
J.
B.
A. C. Z. The C and the Z don't sound the same, but...
Oh.
Okay. F goes here. F. As in flight.
Uh-oh.
That sounds like an airplane. As in flight. As in fingers. Fingers. One more left, Sophia. One more. The letter J. The letter J. Do you want to pronounce them? Ready? You completed everything. A, B, K. You want to do it? Yeah. Okay, you do it. A. Which one's that?
C.
C, D, E. This one? Can you pick them and then you pronounce them, okay?
What?
Yeah, because you know them, right?
2.
Okay, what is this one?
Queen.
Q as in queen.
2.
Queen, very good. Y as in
Yeah.
yo-yo. And X. Z, very good, Sophia. Very good. Very good. And what is this, Sophia? What is this right here? Sophia, what is this? Can you tell me what that is?
Oh.
Oh, very good. Very good. What is this? Do you know this?
T.
D, very good.
D.
D. And this one?
B.
B. And this one?
B.
A. What is this?
B.
A. This one's B. You know A for apple. That's the first word you learned. Okay. And this one? What is that?
Uppy.
Uppy. Up. Like up. That's how she learned the sound of the letter U. And this one? What is this? What about this one? Very good, Sophia. Very, very good. And this one? You must know that one. What is it? S as in Sophia. Careful with the stick, Sophia. Sophia and sun, right? Sophia and sun. Zebra. Very good, Sophia. I'm so proud of you. Yeah, you're finished, completed. Good job. Say, today I am 21 months old.